Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some quick and easy Asian noodle soup. I'm just tired of meat from over the holidays, so let's jump right into this video. Here I have my preheated pot and I'm adding some sesame seed oil. Then I'm adding some sliced onions. Then I'm going in with my diced ginger and garlic. Give this a good stir on medium-low heat and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. And you're going to continually stir that. Then I go in with a little bit of the Bok Choy, some green onions, and of course my habanero peppers. We're going to give that a good stir as well. Then we are going to add our stock. Now you can choose whatever stock. I'm using beef stock and water. Then I am going to add some fish sauce here. And the ingredients and the measurement will be in the description box. I'm adding some very good soy sauce as well. Give that a good stir. All right, and you are going to taste. Then you're going to add your carrots and your noodles. All right, you're going to make sure everything's submerged well. Adjust your flavoring to your likeness and taste. Then I added some mushroom almost to the end, about 10 minutes before this is done. And I also add some Bok Choy, cover. And this is what it looks like, guys. This was absolutely delicious and amazing. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. And also hit that notification bell. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.